Jiangxi Tuteng Yoping Cosmetics Company with total assets of 200 million US dollars and a land area of 20,000 square meters. The group locates in Badu Town Industrial Area, Shangrao City, Jiangxi Province. It enjoys a good production and operating environment. 25 kilometers away from Sanqingshan Airport and 16 kilometers away from Shangrao High-Speed Railway Station. It is adjacent to Shanghai Kunming Highway in the east, G320 Highway in the west, and Beijing Taiwan Highway in the north, enjoying convenient traffic conditions. Tuteng Yoping owns one factory and two branch offices in Shangrao and Shanghai. Quality is their culture. Tuteng Factory focused on high-quality makeup brush for 18 years and has more than 2,000 types of makeup kits. We have got the SGS certification in 2018. With us, your money in safe, full refund in case of bad quality or delayed delivery time. We can provide ODM, OEM services. Also accept payment by PayPal, LC, TT, and other way you want. Time is gold for you and for us. We have professional teamwork whom can make nice quality in a short time. Quality is the soul of an enterprise. It is our honor to serve you. We have great confidence to make good products. We trust our technology, price, and quality will give you an edge to over your competitors. Trust we will be your top one supplier.
Welcome.